All right, so if you are new to Reiki and you're not familiar with energy, this is the first step we got to take. If you're trying to go any further beyond this, you need to stop because you need to understand how energy works in general, okay? So I've been doing this my entire life. I've been doing energy work in different ways, and I teach people all the time how to do it. And when people finally see for themselves how easy it is to tap into energy, people are just absolutely woo, mind blown, okay? So this is exactly how we're going to do it, okay? If you, like I said, if you already attended one of my webinars, go ahead and skip this because you've already learned how to do this, all right? So first things first, energy is extremely conscious and it's extremely easy to use, especially Reiki energy. So Reiki was originally founded in 1922 by Mikao Usui, which is the creator of Reiki. He got really obsessed with Christ healing and like how Christ was able to heal other people, in general. So then he went ahead and he spent some time meditating at a monastery until he got the answers that he was looking for. When he finally did, he came back down, started sharing it with the world. From there, different styles of Reiki have opened up, and each style of Reiki focuses on a different, focal point. Some styles of Reiki focus on just love and emotional centers. Others focus on opening up your spiritual path. High Quantum Reiki focuses on opening up all of your energy channels to Reiki so that you can use Reiki to its maximum potential. Now, quantum just means cellular in this case, okay? So we're going to learn how to use the Reiki energy to impact the cellular body and make things way more better for you and anyone else that you end up healing, because you're going to the root cause of everything that's there, okay? So that's the first thing that I want you to really, really keep in mind, is that when you think about the word quantum, it means cellular or to the cell, okay? And I don't want you to overcomplicate it after that, all right? So real quick, this is how we tap into energy. I want you to hold out your left hand, and you can hold it out in front of you or you can put it down on your lap. I'm just going to hold it out in front of me so you can just, see the actual energy at work, right? You won't be able to see it here, but you'll be able to feel it for yourself, okay? So I just want you to relax, and I want you to imagine love, someone that you really, really love, or, just the concepts of love if it's easier for you. Some people have to think about, maybe their partner, their mom, someone that they really care about. When you start thinking of that, you're going to put all that love energy into your hand. And all you're going to do is tell the energy, because it's conscious, because it can understand you, okay? It's just like a person, that you want it to focus in your hand. Ready? Let's do it. Love energy, I'd like you to focus yourself in my left hand. And just relax. If you're trying to force the energy into your hand, you're not doing it right. Conscious energy is just like any other person. People don't like being told what to do. You don't like being told what to do. So just talk to it and relax. And feel the love energy summon into your hand. And you'll start feeling that it feels light. Maybe it feels like you have a ball or something is in your hand right now, right? Just keep relaxing. Take another deep breath. And you just relax. You literally just relax. And you feel the energy keep amplifying and amplifying. When you finally feel that, you're going to hold out your right hand. And then you're going to say that you want all that energy of love to go to your right hand. And then you're going to relax. You're going to set that intention and forget it. And then you should feel the energy travel over to your right hand. And just relax. If you're struggling too much, that's not how this is going to work. You just tell it and it does it. And you take another deep breath. And relax. You keep relaxing. When you feel like both of your hands are nice and steady and full, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to put that at your heart chakra, right at the center of your chest, okay? And you're going to relax. And you're going to feel that energy go into your body. And if you're not feeling it, if you put your hand at your chest and you didn't feel it, start over one more time. Love energy, and just hold it and put it inside of your chest. And you'll feel that your heart chakra starts moving around. A chakra, which are these things right here behind me, like these colored things right here, those are energy organs. And when we're tapping into the heart chakra, we're tapping into this chakra right here, this green chakra right here, okay? That's all tied to love, past relationships. And that's why we're putting love energy in it. So you might actually feel like an orb right there. Take a deep breath and relax into it. Perfect. So did you feel it? If you haven't felt it yet, let's try something else just a little bit different, okay? We're going to hold out our left hand again. And now you're going to call upon the energies of life to summon in your hand. You've said it, you forget it, and you let it happen. And you'll notice that if you tapped into the love energy first, it was a little bit different than the life energy. This life energy might feel more free-flowing, might feel more alive. Might even, if you're seeing colors and stuff, you might even see colors, okay? Other times you may even see the room get brighter. That's something that just happens. Reiki cannot hurt you in any way, shape, or form, okay? That's the main thing you got to remember. And you always use Reiki for the highest good of all, especially Antohai Reiki, because Antohai Reiki is combining Reiki with the energy style of Antohai as well. So it's even stronger than normal Reiki. And one of the rules that Antohai has for anyone who uses Antohai is the fact that you're always going to use it for the good of all before you do it for yourself. So if you see someone who's suffering, Antohai wants you to heal that person before you heal yourself, you know. And through healing that person, you notice that you do heal yourself, okay? You don't have to go out into the world saying, like, who needs a healing? But if you really do see it and something just hits you and says, oh my God, like this person could use a little bit of Reiki, go ahead and do that, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. You're going to take another deep breath, and now you're going to hold out your right hand. And with your right hand, you're going to say, I want to transfer all of this energy into my right hand. And you relax. When you feel both energies are in your hands, okay, you take a deep breath. And again, you're going to put it into your heart chakra. When you put it into your heart chakra, you may feel something different than when you put love into your heart. That's totally normal. You may feel as though like you get clarity in your mind. You may feel really relaxed. What you want to do when you're healing yourself with just this base energy is you're going to literally relax. You'll start healing yourself. You'll let go of your mind. You'll relax into your body. And you're going to notice that you're going to get the highest healing effects if you take that method, okay? We're going to stay here for just like a minute longer. And then we're going to start over, drop all the energy. We're going to start over from scratch. Ready? This time we're going to combine both energies, okay? So we're first going to do life energy in our left hand. I summon life energy into my left hand. And you can do it in your mind or you can say it out loud too. Some of my students have to say it out loud until they get used to saying it in their mind. I just say in my mind, all right, life energy. And I just summon it. Now you're going to hold out your right hand and you're going to say, I want love energy. And when you start tapping into both of these frequencies, when you feel comfortable having them in your hands, you're going to hold your hands together and let the two energies mix. So this is life and love. You may feel pulse like happening between your hands. You might even see your hands get brighter as you do things. You may even feel like your hands start pushing themselves away from each other as well. That's all normal. This is energy. Everything in the universe is energy. So you really have to keep that in mind, okay? Now when you feel like both of those energies are combined, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put in your heart chakra again. You're going to take a deep breath and just relax. Let go of your mind and let the energy do whatever it needs to do. Take another deep breath. If you feel any tension anywhere, you're going to go ahead and start relaxing into that tension. Take another deep breath. You might start feeling a spinning sensation. If you feel like this spinning sensation, that is absolutely normal. That is the energy coming in from your crown chakra down into your heart chakra and into your hands so you can heal, okay? So this right here is the first step to being able to even tap into Reiki energy, okay? From here, I'm going to show you how to tap into quantum Reiki energies, okay? Or the Antohai Reiki energies, all right? So on the next lesson, that's exactly what we're going to be doing, okay? So remember, each key, take your time with them, okay? Until you learn them. Some students will pick it up like that. Other students may need a month or two or a little bit longer. Just remember, love yourself while you're doing this technique and everything else will follow, okay? Less control is more control. So keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. You saw how easy it is. When you turn on an app in your phone, do you manually make sure that app goes through every process it has to do? No. You just turn it on and you know that the app turns on, whether it's a video game, and you start playing the video game. You don't tell it, okay, well, you have to do all these other things to get the video game started, right? That's exactly how you got to think about the energies at work here that we're going to be tapping into through this course, all right? So definitely let's start diving into now the first tiers of the quantum energy, where you're going to start learning how to use talismans or symbols to activate higher and higher volumes of energy altogether, okay? So I will see you there in just a little bit.